You cannot not. Bang here. I don't know how you got here, okay, that. I get one. Come, throw the book at me. Take away my TV privileges. Maybe make that so punk. Okay, y'all don't get. What's you want? I'm sorry to say this, but this my last mask video. Good. I got a special surprise. Until next time, this is your fur. Until next time, this is your cool guy from UT. And I just got the sketch base. Rob it before you and invite